see her, she's like, it's like a wild dog, so that's why I'm freaking out. It's actually usually Riley who freaks out. That's fine. Yeah, I know. Come here.
Get the dog. Who's that dog? Is that Junior? Blue? Who's that? Who's that? Where's Junior? Where's Junior?
Wait.
Mr. Sands?
Hi.